helper today.
What is your name?
Isabella.
Good helper. Anyway, I'll be making a shrimp boil.
Boy.
So I'll show you my steps. My ingredients are, I have finely chopped my shrimp. Okay, I have half cup of all-purpose flour,
Mr. Important sugar.
1 teaspoon of salt,
Sorry.
1 teaspoon of sugar. I have 1 egg, and 1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and I have here a finely chopped garlic. I have an onion. I have lemon. I like lemon.
I like lemon, but
And I have a finely chopped green chili because I want something spicy. Then I have this a very tiny spring roll.
because we need tiny.
I know spring onion. Spring onion because this is the only one I have in my garden, so that's it. Now here's the
And
Now-
get started.
let's get started. Half cup of all-purpose flour and 1/4 of cornstarch and a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of baking powder. Teaspoon of baking powder. Just
Then
a
we should mix.
half teaspoon, guys, of baking powder and a 1 teaspoon of sugar.
Not too much.
Okay. Now we have to
Mama.
mix this first.
Mama.
And after this, guys, we have to just mix. Okay? Once it is well mixed, we have to add the shrimp. A finely chopped shrimp. Then we have to add the spring onion,
I'm just sitting right here eating my sorry. And with sugar.
the green chili, the garlic, and onion. And I'll put here, I will squeeze lemon. And then mix. Then we'll put the egg, beaten egg. This is just only 1 egg, guys. So now we have to mix well. I will not put black pepper or white pepper, guys, because I already mix here green chili. So for me, that's enough, guys, for the spicy. So I don't gonna add more. So just we have to mix it. Now guys, I finished mixing the shrimps. So now I'm gonna transfer it to the bowl.
Hi, I'm back here.
So now this is ready. So guys, I'm going to put this in the fridge overnight. So meaning only tomorrow I can cook this. So we have to marinate this, sit aside, put in the fridge for overnight. And now my shrimp ball has been marinated overnight and it is ready. So now we have to start making the ball. And now I have here 2 spoons. I don't want to use my hand because it's just sticky. Then I have to form a ball using my 2 spoons. For the size, guys, it just depends on you how big and how small you want. But I just want a little small for me. So this is the ball I made. So first we have to do this. Sorry for the background, guys. My husband is singing with my daughter. Now it's ready. So now we have to deep fry our shrimp ball. Now we put the oil. And just let get it hot first. Now the oil is ready. Now you have to put the ball, shrimp ball. Don't overcrowd your what do you call this, pan, guys. I'm not using pan. I don't know how you use this in India. This is what I'm using right now. So I'm using a deep utensil for frying. Just to put So what I'm doing, guys, I just have in just a slow flame, so it's really cooked thoroughly, doesn't get burned. So this one, now it's ready. As you can see, it's all golden brown. So now we have to pour it on the plate. Then, so this is how it is, guys. Not actually perfect circle because I wasn't using my hand. I'm just using 2 spoons to make the ball, but that is good enough, guys. Again, you don't have to overcrowd your pan. And again, we have to wait until it gets cooked. Now, it is ready. See, guys? See? This is how my shrimp ball. See? So now I have to make the gravy for this. And now we make gravy for the shrimp ball. Now first we have to put the 1 tablespoon of butter. Just have it melted. Then garlic. For garlic, I just finely chop like 5 cloves. 5 cloves of garlic. Just saute the garlic for just a few seconds. And after this, so the smell has come out from the garlic, so this is perfect. Now we have to put the onion. I have cut 1 onion. So this 1 onion. Now we have to wait until the onion will get translucent. Now the onion has changed color. After this, we have to put 1 cup of water. Then 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. One tablespoon of vinegar. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Then you can put green chili. Because I don't have a red chili, now I'll put only green chili. This is a bird eye green chili. Normally you have to put the red one, but that's I don't have. So whatever I have, that's what I'm using.
I'm going back to the toilet.
1.5 tablespoon of cornstarch dissolved in water. So just to take in the sauce, so it's becoming thick. So you stir it. the sauce is becoming thick. This is perfect. Now it's done. Just to balance the sweetness, I just put a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. So I have to put a pinch of salt just to balance the sweetness. Because I have put sugar earlier, so just put a little bit of salt, just a pinch of salt. So this is done. So our sauce is ready.